Hello, my name is Corey. I'll be your, let me get my camera set here. I'll be your teacher instructor person this semester, spring summer semester 2017 for English 3050. Technical Communication Reports 1, I believe is the technical term for all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm supposed to introduce myself here. So I am a third-year PhD student here at Wayne State. Should be done hopefully in hopefully under a year. Almost getting there. Almost done. I will try to keep these videos as short as possible. I try to do like 5 to 7 minute videos, and then maybe put them out and try to break them down so you have to drudge through a 15-minute video perhaps to find just what you're looking for one particular item or whatever. So to this particular video, just be you get to see me, know who I am or whatever, and then I'll talk about the course here for a little bit, and then I'll start working on some other videos to kind of get us started through the week. First thing that we've got is some reading assignments and the reading quiz. That's Wednesday, and then Friday I believe we have the course application email, and then by Sunday your first blog post, setting up your website and all that good stuff. So I'll try to arrange the videos in that order, and then give you shorter videos to kind of get us through those, especially this first week, those processes. The first thing I will note about the course that I would want to kind of make sure that we're on the same page are that this is a 12-week course, not the typical 15 to 16 weeks. So we move at quite a pace, I would advise you to check the site very regularly. I will do my best every single time I post a video to send out a Blackboard announcement. It will be sent right to your Wayne State email, and those will be the emails that I'll be using. And then I would also advise check your email daily. It's not beyond me that in between videos or in between assignments, if I think of something that I feel is pertinent, that will help you in some way, or if I get several emails from students all asking kind of the same thing, then I will feel it necessary to perhaps respond more globally, if you will, to everyone. So check those things out regularly, if you would, please. Also, something to keep in mind, there is something due pretty much every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. That's the nature of this course starting out this first week. If you've already looked at the schedule on the Blackboard site, you'll notice that it seems to be pretty consistent. There might be one week, if there's only 2 things due that week, then I put them on Friday and Sunday. I don't think there's any week where there's only 1 thing due. So most of the time there's 3. A couple of weeks I believe where there's only 2 items. I put those on Friday and Sunday, etc., etc. Okay, so let's talk real quick about navigating the site. All right, so I'm using this screencast video thing here, and it's got a little situation I can minimize, so I'm going to pop down into the lower right or left of your screen, depending on which way you're facing or whatever. So okay, so I'm down here now, and so here is our main page, at least the main page that comes up for me. When I bring it up, it's always on the announcements page. Mine might look a little differently because it's the teacher view or whatever. And then you'll notice over here in the left-hand column that's got section 008. And so I'm teaching 2 sections this semester, 1007, 1008. So don't worry about that. Both are the exact same course with the exact same schedule, the exact same everything. So regardless of which course you see up here, I'm talking to everybody in Technical Communication Reports 1 classes. Okay. So when you're from this site here, obviously you've got the getting started stuff to do, as well as let's see, announcements getting started. I don't have my instructor profile up there yet. I'll work on that. I've asked you to look at the syllabus. There's the main schedule, but I do want to direct your attention to course materials. I think I noted this perhaps in the announcement I sent yesterday, that this might be where you probably kind of hang out or kind of start from. So as you'll notice here, I'll scroll down real quick. Every single week, the date ranges and everything is all spelled out and all laid out for us real nice like. So week 1, if we click on week 1, I kind of like the arrangement here of the week 1 overview. And so as I said earlier, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. pretty typical week. And as you'll note right above this schedule right here where it says weekly schedule, complete these tasks by midnight on the day listed. All right, so as long as you complete it, hand it in, submit it, or whatever by midnight, good. So it's got your learning objectives, the materials for that week, and then at the bottom of this message are all the accoutrement that you will need. Look at the schedule, there it is. Of course, schedule's there. There's a supplemental reading if you want it. The reading quiz, which is the same thing as the syllabus quiz. That initial announcement that the site already has on there, I think refers to it as a syllabus quiz, and it should say reading quiz. So I apologize. And then you have your application, email assignment, and then the blog post. And you also notice that they are also in descending order, and then also ascending order, depends on how they're due, right? So the first thing is reading quiz by Wednesday. The application email is due to me by Friday, and then the blog post would then be due on Sunday. And then you can scroll up here and see the exact same thing. So you've got the Wednesday up here. Here's all the things you want to have done by Wednesday. Then Friday, send course application email, and then Sunday, get your website set up. Or if you, it says on WordPress, I only recommend WordPress because I know it. So if you have another provider that you'd rather use, then feel free to. I don't know any other names off the top of my head, but anyway, Weebly I think comes to mind. But WordPress, I know you can do everything that I'm going to ask you to do on WordPress very efficiently and easily. So, and then of course make your first blog post by then. Okay, it's 6 minutes. I'm over time here for this first one, but that's okay. All right. So I would recommend, and then you also notice real quick, everything that's up here that says you need, that you're supposed to do, is everything's just right nicely contained right in here on week 1. Okay, and then the same thing would happen for week 2, so forth and so on. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. My time is up for this particular video. I'll be back to you shortly with another video, and we'll start talking more about Anderson. You got to go through the getting started stuff. Make sure you read the syllabus and course schedule, read the 2 Anderson chapters, and then take the reading quiz. It has syllabus questions as well as I think 1 or 2 Anderson questions. Okay, and then work on the course application email. So I'll have a video coming out shortly addressing those items. In the meantime, however, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me. This device here, maybe you've seen it, maybe you've heard these things. I've got one of these, and I carry them around, and I try to respond to student emails as quickly as possible because we've got time is of the essence in the spring-summer class. So thank you for taking the time to view this video, and always note, you are awesome. Take care. Bye.